Hello, it's Miss Joyce from the Euclid Library, and I wanted to share some ideas with you about windowsill gardening. So for this, you really don't need much of anything other than water, a container, and some vegetable scraps. So, for example, I'm going to start with my work in progress. This is, if we know what this is, can you tell what this is? There we go. It is an avocado pit. Now this has only been about a week, and I know it takes a lot of time. So, but what you do after you eat your avocado is clean it off and then stick some toothpicks in to balance it and make sure you get the bottom part. You'll see that at the bottom. And you submerge it, half submerge it, and eventually you will end up with a plant that grows out of this pit. You're not going to get an avocado, but you will get some greens growing out of the pit. So that's kind of pretty cool, isn't it? But it does take lots of time and patience. All right, ones that are quicker are, here we have an onion. So this is a green onion, and I cut it off and put the roots in water, and they grow and absorb the water, and then there were shoots growing off of it. I did cut them off, but you can see the green here, and I'm guessing it will continue to grow. That's part of science, is to keep trying all these things, but the shoots looked kind of like they do on this onion plant. So I took a regular onion that looks like this and cut off the bottom where you've got the roots here, and I put it into a pot and been watering it. You could just do this in water also, but I just thought I'd see if it made any difference to put it in dirt. But you end up with the shoots coming out of here, just like from the green onion, and you can see how it goes. You can snip them off and enjoy them, a little snack. Okay, another idea of something to grow, which is pretty common, maybe you've tried this before, is to take a carrot and cut it off and keep it in water, and then eventually you get little leaves growing, and here's our greens that you can keep watching, or you can plant outside, or you can snip off and eat, whatever you'd like to do. You can do that also with celery and all different kinds of vegetables. Another one I wanted to show you, though, was this one is from Romaine Lettuce. So this was the bottom of it, and you cut it off here and kept it in water up to here, and these are the shoots that grew off of it. So they're pretty cool, they're pretty fun. I'm not sure how tall it would get or what it would do, or you can just eat them as you go. But it's just another idea of something fun to try and grow. So those are some different ideas. You can try it on many other vegetables if you'd like. I got some of my ideas from a couple books we have at the library. This one is called Gardens from Garbage: How to Grow Indoor Plants from Recycled Kitchen Scraps. And then another one is called Dig In: 12 Easy Gardening Projects Using Kitchen Scraps. So those were some ideas. The one that I thought looked intriguing on this one is a pineapple. So this would be kind of like we did with the onion, and you cut it off and stick it in some dirt, and eventually you're not going to get a pineapple, but you will get an interesting plant growing. So those are some different ideas, and you can always look at things online too, but we do have resources at the library, or it's just, here's some ideas we had here, and experiment, see what happens, see what you can grow. And I hope you enjoyed, and we'll hope to see you again soon. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.